Dear audience, at this stage we would like to invite Mohammad Rajaul Karim and Junaid Ahmad to the stage for an English conversation.
প্রিয় উপস্থিতি, এই পর্যায়ে ইংরেজি কথোপকথন নিয়ে মঞ্চে আসছেন মোহাম্মদ রেজাউল করিম এবং জুনায়েদ আহমেদ। السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am well. And you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What is your name? My name is Rajaul Karim. And you? My name is Junaid Ahmed. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. What class do you read in? I am in class 1. What is your madrasa name? My madrasa name is Sayyid Mullah Abdul Aziz Nurani Hafidiyya Madrasa and Etim Khana. And you? My madrasa name is Sayyid Mullah Abdul Aziz Nurani Hafidiyya Madrasa and Etim Khana. What is the name of your madrasa super? My madrasa super name is Maulana Muhammad Ibn Hussain Sahib. And you? My madrasa super name is Maulana Muhammad Ibn Hussain Sahib too. Are you Muslim? Yes, I am Muslim. What is your village name? My village name is Soigao. What is your police station name? My police station name is Bhedarganj. What is your district name? My district name is Shariatpur. What is your country name? My country name is Bangladesh. And you? My country